What's going on, guys and girls? Today we are out and we are doing some canal fishing in the middle of like a commerce park. We were told there's some peacock bass in here, some clown knife fish, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what we can get. Might get some peacocks, some largemouths, some clown knives, maybe some cichlids, so let's go. So the first bait I'm gonna try is a little Zoom fluke. And I found out that Zoom actually owns the term fluke, so this is the only fluke in the world. Everything else is not. But this is just your old standard white pearl soft plastic jerkbait. I'm gonna rig it that way right there to expose the hook. Let's see if we can't get some fish. Largemouth, nice one.
Little guy here to start off the morning. Huh?
Yeah. Well, there are fish in here.
Yeah, we got one anyhow. Thanks, buddy. I'm gonna go send your mama.
Ooh, Jesus. Did y'all see that? There we go. That was on the bottom too. Oh, he choked it. I had it on the bottom. Nice bass. Boat flip. There we go. Hey, Jack. Nice. That's a decent bass, and that was on the bottom instead of jerking it around. Jerking it around. Nice. All right, guys. Decent little fish for here. Right up under that bridge. Reeb up. There we go. Another largemouth. Not a bad largemouth. Hook good, boy. There we go. All right, guys. Largie number 2. No peacocks yet. There's 2 largemouth, and I picked them up the same way, letting it sit on the bottom. That's probably why I'm not catching any peacocks. A bass. Something just hit it. Yep. There we go. There we go. Another largemouth. Okay. So that's 3 largemouth out of here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So my father-in-law's up on the wall there. So there's some peacocks right here. To the left. I saw him flash at it. They still there? They still there? Up against the grass over there? Did I spook him? Same spot? Twitch it. Still there? Oh, he just came up. He just came up right here. Yep. Right here, I was letting it sink. There we go. There we go. Oh, it came out. Oh, I didn't have him hooked good. And that was that peacock. Oh, man. Thought I got a good hook set on him, but apparently did not. If you guys want to see some more canal fishing, click right here. Subscribe to the channel right here. Until the next time, guys, keep living life coastal and keep catching.